Hey friends! Welcome back to class. Today, we're going on a tiny adventure with a little bird to see how its big ideas change as it grows up. Let's fly into the poem, What a Bird Thought. Let us read. Stanza 1. I lived first in a little house, and lived there very well. I thought the world was small and round, and made of pale, blue shell. Our story starts with a baby bird inside its little house. Can you guess what that is? Yep, an egg. Inside its egg, the bird thought the whole world was small and round, and made of pale, blue shell. Imagine that. To the tiny bird, its shell was the entire universe. It was safe, cozy, and all it knew. Stanza 2. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw, and nestled by my mother. Crack! Our bird hatches and moves to its next home, a little nest. This new world was made of straw and was super comfy because its mother was right there. So, what did the bird think now? It thought, oh, so the world is made of straw. Its world got a little bigger, but it was still just its cozy home. Stanza 3. One day, I fluttered from my nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. One day, our bird got brave. It fluttered from the nest to see what was out there. And what did it see? Leaves, leaves, and more leaves on the big tree. So, the bird changed its mind again and said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. It realized its old ideas were wrong because it had seen something new. Have you ever had a moment like that? Stanza 4. At length I flew beyond the tree, quite fit for grown-up labors. I don't know how the world is made, and neither do my neighbors. Finally, our bird grew up. It became a strong flyer and flew beyond the tree. It saw the sky, the fields, other trees, and so much more. So, what did it think the world was made of now? Here's the surprise. The bird says, I don't know how the world is made. After seeing how huge and amazing everything was, the bird realized it couldn't be explained so simply. It understood that the world was bigger and more wonderful than it could ever have imagined. This sweet little poem tells us something really cool about learning. Just like the bird, our idea of the world gets bigger as we grow. What you know today is much more than what you knew as a toddler, right? The bird teaches us to stay curious, to keep exploring, and that it's okay to not have all the answers. The adventure is in the learning. That's all for today, awesome friends. Keep asking questions and exploring your big, wonderful world. Subscribe to our channel for more easy video lessons.